Jetwave was established in 1992, been around 27 years this year. Our company heritage is very much based on innovation and quality. With Generation 2 coming into the business, we've certainly focused on closing the gap between where the current industry is and where we think it could be. Our primary markets are high pressure water cleaners and hydrojetting water jetting equipment. Jetwave is an importer, manufacturer and designer of superior industrial cleaning equipment, mainly focused at the high pressure water cleaners and hydrojetting water jetting equipment. Different industries that Jetwave sell to include the winery industry, horticulture, building and infrastructure, plumbing, shipping, mining, amongst many others. We believe what sets us apart is certainly our innovation, our ability to identify a customer's needs and create a product specifically designed and tailored for that customer's needs. This creates better efficiencies for their business, less downtime, less cost, less frustration for the customer. And with our wide variety and our wide range of products, we can find a product to exactly fit their exact needs. As an Australian manufacturer, we realised that what would set us apart in a national sense, but also in an international sense, was really to pursue a path of innovation. To have our products be able to add more value to our customers than ever before was where we identified the business needed to be. To deliver on that service end to end, from first contact of the customer to Jetwave, right through to the delivery and the after-sales service of the product, we've seen as being critical. Each stage of the customer's process, we've identified and we've cultivated to be able to deliver on that process in a better way. Jetwave's design encapsulates different design build configurations where the customer can have a variety of mounting options, so it gives their business more scope to be able to tender and win for more jobs. Working with our high quality vendors, we believe we can add better user functionality and also better life protection into our equipment that will offer the user more benefits.